Alright, YouTube, coming at you with more fans for the vans, or vans for the fans, however you want to read it and say it. We love these Tonkas. Super awesome and just fun to drive them through mud puddles and hit slow motion shots and just make things happen. Hope you enjoy.
I did.
I just go where the trade wind blows, sending love to my friends and foes, and I suppose I'm pleased to be chilling in the West Indies. To provide all my wants and needs. I got the sunshine, rivers.
Pretty much the most ideal situation I could think of. Driving my vans with my kids and got Adam driving and Alison filming and me kind of just standing there acting stupid.
To my friends and foes, and I suppose I'm pleased to be chilling in the West Indies. I provide all my wants and needs. I got the sunshine, rivers and trees. Green leaves, yeah.
When the rain pits a pot on the roof, herb just a steam pepper pot on the stew. Life is a dream if you got gratitude, so go tell the regime they can't stop what we do now. Information you think on your own, or else you're a slave to the things that you know. What do you know if you learn every day? So be careful of things where you say.
Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? I just go where the trade wind blows, sending love to my friends and foes. And I suppose I'm pleased to be chilling in the West Indies. To provide all my wants and needs. I got the sunshine, rivers and trees, green leaves.
Africa in our soul, but Aja in our heart. It is of importance.
Both of these trucks are equally equipped with 2-speed RC 4-wheel drive transmissions and Yoda 2 metal axles and leaf springs. But beyond that, it's really, one's kind of its own creature versus the other. They're both super unique, very cool. Well, that wraps up this video and trail session. Hope you enjoyed it. In the meantime, we're going to go back to nature and look at some flowers and stuff like that. And ladybug for your enjoyment. See ya. Love you.